In this video we're going to show you how to keep your glass clean, because it is essential to have a clean glass to print successfully. Glass that is not clean can have severe effects on printing accuracy. It can generate debris and it can increase separation forces. The tools you will need are a flashlight or any other source of directable light, for example your mobile phone. You will need a dry microfiber towel and a spirit-based glass cleaner like the one from Frosch or any other spirit-based glass cleaner which is available in your location. You might want to try a few. And a wipe to soak up the cleaner and clean your glass. First thing you do is you prepare your things and then you remove the platform, make sure it's clean, and then you inspect your glass, and while it might look clean with your eyes, once you use the source of light and shine from a shallow angle, you will see that there's a whole range of dust particles, and here there are smudges and you might have fingerprints or tiny leftovers of resin. First, use the soakable, disposable towel. Clean carefully, don't exert too much pressure, just make sure you give it a good wipe. You can use the dry side of it to remove whatever is left so you don't get streaks. You might want to check again. Usually the smudges are gone after if you use the right cleaning product, and now you want to remove the dust particles, which this one is for, so just push them away. This is essentially it, and we recommend a daily checkup with your light source, maybe in the morning before you start printing, and if you discover any smudges, you are best to clean before you start the printing. Thanks.